You're not supposed to put up against your throat. Come on, Tough. Tough it out.
The chest hair helps. Pushing the impact.
Making it on video, you know that.
Yes, Amy, this is your man.
It's like a full body massage.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a handstand and do my legs next.
Do it. Come on.
I can't.
Oh, you can too. Come on.
Get the water to support you.
I can't do a handstand.
I guess.
I can't do it.
Okay, well this is for Amy, so tell her how much you love her.
Love you, Amy. You know you like this. It's sexy.
That's funny. And there's Pauline hiding. Hiding. Ow! Don't do that.